Hi everybody, it's Kate Kalthoff. Welcome. Yay, it's new catalog day. So I actually have my catalog here. It's been so fun, and I can open up a page and show you the inside of it on a video. So that is exciting for me. I'm sure most of my customers already have received their catalog from me, and I hope you are enjoying it. And thank you. I woke up to orders this morning. It was so exciting. Really appreciate it. You guys have my heart. Thank you. All right, welcome. It's so nice to have you here. Thank you for joining me. Well, I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. I'm going to get right into it because we are launching Masculine May, a beautiful card kit to go featuring the He's the Man product suite. And so the cards are made with a lot of those items. And then of course I have two important recommendations for you to get on your order if you choose to get this card kit to go. Thank you also for sharing. I really appreciate that as well. So let me flip the camera down and we'll go ahead and get started, and I'll talk to you about this beautiful, well, I should say handsome card kit to go. All right, here we go. Open catalog. It's super exciting. As I mentioned, most of my customers already received theirs in the mail. If you are my customer and you haven't, please contact me and let me know. But this is something that caught my eye right away, just because look at these fabulous card ideas. Oh, wow, they're so great, aren't they? And they're quick and easy to make because, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you of the designer series paper. The designer series paper has 2 sheets of die cuts. Of course, I am using them on these cards to go. Here is the stamp set, and the designer series paper has lots of masculine colors. You'll find crushed curry, Cajun craze, soft succulent, Sahara sand, early espresso, and basic black. And course, this is featuring the bundle, and I just want you to realize that the dies are very versatile. They can be used with this kit to go, but with many of your stamping projects, and let me show you why. So let's look at this bundle. Here it is. He's All That is the stamp set that we'll be using. Hello, handsome. I think I'll have to make a card for my husband with that one. And then here are the fantastic dies. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's not like really that it has to be special to this bundle, because it's just special all by itself. These are great dies that can be used with many different stamp sets already in your collection. So I know we're going to have a great time with these dies. So that's what you're going to need for sure with these cards. The other thing that you will need for sure to recreate these cards is the designer series paper. And I say that because a couple of the cards do use dies, and I can't provide, I would be spending a lot of money to provide all the die cuts. So I ask that you provide the die cuts, I'll provide the ideas and the card setups. So let me just open this up. This is a brand new package that's never been opened. I had to do a tiny little unboxing here. So here it is. And again, this is He's the Man Specialty Designer Series paper. Look at, is this not great for the chef in your life? Look at all those barbecue things. So fun. I just love the colors. And let's flip through it. So here on this side, we have the Cajun craze. All right. So now let's look at the next one. Super fun. We've got, oh my gosh, cute little black background with all these check squares, and the little line dividing it is Cajun craze. And it could actually be, you know, now that I'm looking at it, it could be early espresso. It's okay, Kay. Early espresso, basic black, whatever. It's nice and bold and masculine. And here is the cute little accessories. You know, I've worn glasses my whole life. My husband's only needed glasses since he turned 40. So I have 2 pair of glasses, sunglasses, my regular glasses. He has like 45 pairs of glasses. They are everywhere. So I'm sure some of you could relate to that. All right, let us look at the next set of designer series paper. And it looks like this. This is my favorite one. Oh my gosh, look at how awesome this is. So this makes a super great background on your cards. And when I look at this, I see lots of card making way outside of this card kit to go. There's a stamp set. It's got some really cute animals in, like a raccoon. I can't remember what it's called right now, but oh my gosh, you guys, this would be so cute. And I definitely want to make a card using that stamp set with this paper. I haven't done it yet, but you know, I've been busy. All right, so let's move on to the next sheet, which is this one. Oh yes, I gotta grab it. It's a little bit mixed up. So we've got the classic cards, the classic cars on one side, because you know, your guy's a classic, of course he is. And there is some nice, kind of like a Sahara sand twill background. Really like this set. And we will move on because there's 2 more sheets of designer series paper before we get to all the die cuts. I love this. I love early espresso and soft succulent together. I'm sure almost everybody does, because how can you not? And then here is the back side of that paper. It's so gorgeous. You're going to just be able to make so many beautiful, awesome cards with this paper. All right, let's move on to the most cool part of this whole designer series paper pack, and that is the die cuts. So you get 2 sheets. Both sheets are exactly the same. So I'm just going to show one. Sorry, I'm trying to get things out of the way here. So you get 2 sheets that are exactly the same. And as I mentioned, I'm showing one. And one of the cards that I'm featuring uses this card right here, along with You're a Classic. And then we are also using the barbecue grill. And we're using, I don't know if we're using any more than that, because I also wanted to use the stamp set. However, if you want to make the cards exactly as I have, you will want to have the set of designer series paper. If you don't have the designer series paper, you'll have to be creative with your own products that you have in your house, and that's fine, because I'm sure you probably do already have some things that would be cute substitutions for these dies. But these dies are super, super darling. So again, you get 2 sets. I'm going to put the second set over the top here, and you will be able to create the cards exactly like I have when you have the dies on hand, or the die cuts on hand. All right, I know you are very, very excited about seeing these awesome cards. So let me bring in the first card. It is a fun fold, and it looks like this. Whoops, I got it upside down. Here we go. So we're using the timber embossing folder in the background. We've got those really versatile dies layered up here. Now in your card kit to go, I will do any type of cutting or embossing that's not part of the bundle, but you will have to have these dies on hand, again, to make the cards exactly as I have. I'll also provide the embellishments, and so all of that will be there for you. Got the cool barbecue background. So are you ready to see this cute fun fold? Let me open it up for you. And look, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So what could this card be used for? Because we're leaving a lot of this kind of open for your interpretation. So here it says, holy smokes, you're amazing. So I think that could be a really nice congratulations card. If it's not a congratulations card, it could also be a cute Father's Day card, because, you know, all dads are pretty much amazing. And then it could also be used as a birthday card. So you can just fill in whatever sentiment that you want over here. But again, it's a great fun fold card, and it could be used for birthday, congratulations, or Father's Day. Now, the second card in this card kit to go is this one. And this is actually a gift card holder. So it's a birthday card. I don't know how we could really change that up, because it says happy birthday to a classic right here. You can see these awesome they're little cutouts that are part of that die set. In fact, let me grab the die set so you can see what I mean. They are these, and you get 2 of them. So one pass through your die cutting machine, and you've got your 2 die cuts here for the front of your card. So again, I'll provide the paper for die cutting. I like to punch a little hole in it so that you know you're using it just for the die cutting. Then we've got a scalloped panel here and the cute Your Classic paper in the background. And then here's where we keep the gift card. So we're folding over the left-hand side and adding our gift card right here. And we've got that awesome paper in the background. So that is card number 2. Card number 3 uses the dies again, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome, isn't it? So again, you've got those really fun geometric features on the bottom. And then when you open it up, you have another one on the inside just to tie it all together. So this one could be used as an all occasion card. It could be a great retirement card, don't you think? And it could also be a birthday card or a Father's Day card. So I'll leave that up to you. You will get this kit to go. It will be sent out towards the end of May. So you'll have it in plenty of time to make those masculine cards all summer long. And then the final card in this card kit to go is something that could be used kind of as a rustic wedding card, or it could be a cool anniversary card for either your husband or maybe your kids have an anniversary coming up, and it looks awesome. And then on the inside, it's left pretty basic so that you could design however you want your sentiments to go on the inside, whether you're using it as an anniversary card or a rustic wedding card, or you could completely change this out for something else using one of the die cuts in your die cut package. But I really, really like this card as well because it uses all of my favorite colors here with the early espresso and the soft succulent. All right, so how in the world do you get this kit to go? Well, it's actually a free kit to go as long as you're using the host code Q67JRKET, and you have to make sure that your order is at least $50 by 5/17/22. And I would also recommend that if you don't already have it, or if you're planning on getting it at some point, I would get it now with your host code here and get the He's All That bundle with He's the Man Specialty Designer Series paper. And so, of course, I've also attached some See More information that tells you what you get if you order $50 or $75, or don't use your host code if you are going up to $150 on your Stampin' Up! Order with me, because in that case, I will make sure you get all the gifts, all the goodies, all the happy stamper tokens, and you will get the host credits. So there we go. Let me go ahead and share with you one more time what this card kit to go looks like. So I'm just going to set all the cards down here. Hopefully I can get them all lined up for you. And whoops, got to get it so it's all in the picture. There we go, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm so very happy that you're here. Have a great day and hope you'll join me in this May card kit to go. Bye, everyone. Truly appreciate you.